Damn, check it out, check it out. Oh yeah, check it. Let me show y'all that fish. Look at that fish. See that? Baked tilapia. You see that? Oh yeah, check it out. Some baked beans, some good old rice, and I make some healthy veggies. Check it out, check it out. Oh yeah. Whoop, there it is. Look at that. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. See that? Let me get a little closer. Oh yeah. Good tilapia. With veggies. Good old rice. Good old baked beans. Check it out. Look at that. Kodak moment. Bam. Mm. Whoa. Mm, mm, mm. All right. Check it out. See my babies? Just a couple of weeks ago, that LeBron James tweeted, "A storm is coming. It is now raining cats and dogs." Check it out, everybody. See you there. Because your team, the Lakers, the team that plays Staples, has fallen to 17 and 15. All right, everybody. God bless and peace out. Amen. Time to eat.